The TurboTax Free Edition. Yes, it does exist. Not everyone qualifies for it, but everyone, including you, can start your tax return for free and be on the free edition and only upgrade if you ever really need to. So if you go in the upper right-hand corner, if you have already started on TurboTax, then you're going to see your price preview and you're going to see what you currently owe. I'm not on the free edition right now. I'm on deluxe. So if I want to get to the free edition, I can go down here to switch products in the lower left and downgrade. So I click downgrade and it will downgrade to the TurboTax Free Edition. However, you might be on another product type that doesn't let you downgrade, so you might not even see that button. In your case, or if you are just starting out, you can start on the free edition by clearing and starting over, or for you starting out, just starting on free. So unfortunately, you got to clear your return if you're on a mode that doesn't let you downgrade. And I say, I want to clear my tax data. It's going to clear all that out. I have to restart my return, but I will restart it for free. So I clear the tax data. And then if you're starting out for the first time, you're going to all be on the same screen. So we're all here right now with the lady waving at us. And we say, got it. We kind of skip that. And then we skip all of this stuff here because this is TurboTax recommending you a product. So we're going to hit continue and not check mark anything. We're going to say we're comfortable doing our own taxes. It's still a guided process, but we just won't have a person with us. And so we hit continue again. Now TurboTax recommends the $0 free edition. And so only 37% of taxpayers qualify, but that could be you if you file a simple 1040 return. We can start for $0 though. Anyone can start for $0. The only time you upgrade is when you are filing forms that do require a fee, essentially. And so I filed my own taxes last year. You select now whatever you had done the previous year, hit continue, and now you're back on the dashboard where you can start your taxes. And so if we go to price preview, we're going to see that we are now on the free edition, the TurboTax Free Edition. Now, if you do have to upgrade or you do have to pay anything because your tax situation doesn't necessarily qualify completely for free filing, there is a link in the description down below that will save you 20% on any of the TurboTax products. It's an affiliate link. It helps support this channel. But that is how you can get to the TurboTax Free Edition. I hope this video helped, and I hope it helped you save some money on your tax filing this year. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.